the surface area of prisms can be quite a challenge, but I'm going to show you two different ways that you can use to find it. One way is to unfold the prism into a net, and the second way is to use a formula. Either method you choose will give you the confidence you need to be successful in finding the surface area of any rectangular prism. So the first way I'm going to show you how to find the surface area is by creating a net of this rectangular prism. To do this, I basically just unfold it as if you were breaking down a cardboard box. Then you just flatten it out. And now I have a net of the prism. To find the surface area, I will find the area for each individual rectangular face in the net and then add all of the areas together to get the total surface area for the rectangular prism. Let me show you. Let's create a net of this rectangular prism. Remember, to create the net, you just unfold the prism. The net will look like this. I used the different colors in this net to make it easier for you to see the different faces of the prism. Now I'm ready to find the surface area. I need to find the area for each individual face and then add those areas together. I'll begin by finding the area of the sides or the blue faces in the net. To find the area, I will multiply the length times the width, or 4 times 3. And since there are two congruent or equal blue sides, I will multiply the area by 2 to give me a total area for the two blue sides as 24 inches squared. Next, I find the areas of the back and front faces. The length is 7 inches and the width is 3 inches, so I'll multiply 7 times 3. And since they are also congruent, I will multiply by 2 here as well to get 42 inches squared. Now for the last two faces, the top and bottom. The dimensions for these faces are 7 inches by 4 inches, so I will multiply 7 times 4, and again, since these two faces are congruent, I will multiply by 2 again to get 56 inches squared. The last step is to add these areas together. So the surface area for this prism is 122 inches squared. Another way to find the surface area of this rectangular prism is to use a formula. Now this might look a little complicated to you, but I'm going to break it down so that you can see how this formula might be faster than drawing a net, then finding the areas of all the faces in that net, and then adding those areas together. So SA stands for surface area, and 2B stands for 2 times the area of the base. We multiply the area of the base by 2 because rectangular prisms have two congruent or equal bases. Then we add the pH. pH stands for the perimeter of the base times the height of the prism. So this time, let's use the formula to find the area of this rectangular prism. First, we will choose a base. I'm going to use the bottom and top faces as the two bases for this prism. The dimensions are 7 inches by 4 inches, so I will multiply 7 times 4, and then since there are two bases, I will need to multiply that product by 2. Then I will add the perimeter of the base. To find the perimeter, I will add all 4 side lengths together. So I will add 7 plus 7 and 4 plus 4. Then I will multiply by the height of the prism, which is 3. Now I just need to follow order of operations rules to solve. So I will complete what is in parentheses first. 7 times 4 is 28, and I'll bring down the 2. And 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4 is 22, and I'll bring down the times 3. Next I'll multiply 2 and 28 and 22 times 3. Then I just need to add 56 and 66 to get a surface area of 122 inches squared. As you can see, you can find the surface area for any rectangular prism by either creating a net or you can use a formula. I hope this video gave you some confidence in finding the surface area for rectangular prisms, because the more confident you feel in math, the more successful you will be.